Hi everyone, welcome back to Accountant's Desk. In today's video, I am giving you a free tool that will help you manage your income, track your expenses, and understand your profits every month. This free tracker is perfect for small business owners, freelancers, and service providers. If you are just starting out your business or still managing things on your own, this is the ideal tool to get clarity about your money. Inside the Excel file, you will find three simple sheets: a welcome and instruction page to help you get started, a transaction sheet to record every business income and expenses, and income and expenses summary sheet that shows your profit automatically. This file is designed with ease in mind. You don't need to be an Excel expert. You just need to know what you spent and what you earned. Let's see the template. Welcome and instruction sheet. When you open the file, the first sheet you will see is this: a clear beginner friendly guide. Then transaction sheet. This is where you will enter the transactions, the date, description of the transaction, whether it's income or an expense, the amount, and the category. Let's say on 5th June you spent on Facebook ads and it is an expense of $500 and the category is advertisement. And on 6th June the client made the payment and it is an income and it is categorized under sales. You can choose the type and category using simple drop downs, which keeps your sheet clean and consistent. And the next sheet is income and expenses summary. Now this is where all the data from the transaction sheet flows into the summary page, where you can instantly see the total income, total expenses, and monthly performance. You can choose the type and category using simple drop downs, which keeps your sheet clean and consistent. No need to calculate anything manually. This summary updates on its own, so you always know how your business is performing. Why this tracker matters: when you track your money, you take control of your business. Most small business owners delay this part, and that's when cash flow problems and confusion start creeping in. This template helps you understand where your money is going and make better decisions. You can also customize the tracker for your business. Want to add more categories? Go to data, data validation, and add the categories. And the best part, it's free to help you take control of your books. Just click the link in the description to download it. Make a copy and start using it today. Now, if you're thinking, but I don't have time to do this regularly, that's where we can help. At Accountant's Desk, we provide professional bookkeeping services tailored specifically for small business owners. Whether you need day to day bookkeeping, monthly management accounts, final accounts, bank reconciliation, VAT returns, or payroll support, we handle it all, so you can focus on what really matters. You can fill out the Google form on our homepage to get started. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Accountant's Desk, and leave a comment if you want to see more tools like this one. Thanks for watching. And remember, your books don't have to be messy. You have got this.